Trade recap. I didn't film any live executions this morning, but we did take a trade. It looks like a dub, but we actually got wicked out. So let's go over what happened and what we could have done better. So let's just figure out where we're at. So basically, this morning market opens, and what do we see? I really ideally wanted to look for shorts today. I wanted to see price push up to this hourly high and then make its move. Obviously, we did do that, but not until 11 a.m., which is way later than what I want to be trading. But market opens, boom, we come down, sweep out. Uh, oh, yeah, we sweep out this hourly low. This is like a really low, like an internal hourly low. And so we sweep that out while we're holding this 1 hour fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, I guess I'd be down to look for longs if we see the setup. So what ends up happening, you see we come down. We come down, boom, sweep. We have a 1 minute break of structure leaving behind this fair value gap. We push into the fair value gap. I enter long. Stops was underneath just the bottom of this fair value gap. We had two in here. I just wanted to give myself some extra room. I usually put my stop below the body of the candle that makes the fair value gap, but since we had two, I just put it below this one. We get stopped out, and then price runs to our TP. What I could have done better, I think I should have put my stop below the body of the candle of the last fair value gap, because if we see here, this is going to be annoying. If I put it under there, we would have not got stopped out because that was the last candle. That's the body of the candle right there. Honestly, or I could have just put it below the lows. Sometimes I usually like to do that, but here's the thing. Now that I'm trading on the top step funded, I'm only allowed max 2 contracts right now according to the scaling plan. So I can't trade micros because it's too small. But then one contract of minis is like enough. So I I didn't want to have my stop so low because it would have been a little more risk than I really ideally would have liked. But um, it wouldn't have been really worth it to take it with only like one micro. Like that wouldn't have been worth it. Um, just I just it was right idea. Just again, stop loss was a little too tight. It's just one of those things that it happens sometimes. So I'm not upset at the setup. I knew where price was drawing towards, just got wicked out unfortunately on this one. Um I again, risk was light again, only risking less than 0.5%. So we're not effed here, but um yeah, it just sucks to end the week on a loss. We have market. We won't be trading tomorrow because it's Good Friday or something. I don't really know. They don't they don't want me in the market. They told me to take the day off. They're scared. They must be scared. But yeah, unfortunate loss today, but it's all good. Happens, part of the game. Um, yeah, we'll see you guys next week then.